I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and unlocking the background layer so you can create transparency. This avoids destructive edits. Once done, duplicate the layer for a safety copy and make sure the layer's panel and transparency grid are visible so you can check what becomes see-through. You also want to set a comfortable zoom level and enable quick mask if you'll refine edges. These first steps prepare you to isolate the area that will become transparent and keep an undo path. Now you make the selection that creates transparency. Use the quick selection for complex shapes, the pen tool for precise paths, or magic wand for simple areas. Choose based on contrast and edges. Once selected, open Select and Mask to refine radius, smooth, feather, and output to a layer mask so you can non-destructively hide pixels. Make sure to check the mask on different backgrounds if edges look harsh. Increase feather slightly, or paint the mask with a soft brush to blend. To finish, confirm the masked areas show the checkerboard transparency, and then export as PNG 24 or save as PSD to retain alpha channels. These formats preserve true transparency. If you need a flattened file, first duplicate and flatten a copy while keeping the original layered file for future edits. If you see halos or unexpected edges, check for matte or premultiplied backgrounds, invert the mask if necessary, or paint the mask edge. One quick fix is slightly contract or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.